Alright guys, hey, welcome back to another episode of JR14. If you guys seen the last video, we installed this beautiful intake on my brother Eric's Audi S5. If you like that video, click in the upper right hand corner, check that video if you have not seen it yet. There's a lot of videos that's happening in one day, but I do want to let you know what's happening in today's video. Now today's video, we're changing this grill out to the honeycomb RS style grill, as well as we're going to be installing the ECS lip on the front of this car as well to give it a little bit more of an aggressive look. So as you guys already know, without further ado, we're gonna go to taking this car apart, getting it all take it apart, trying to figure everything out, especially this grill. Like, I've seen a couple of videos on how this grill comes out. It's a little bit tedious. It's a little tedious on how this grill does come out, but we're gonna take the task on tonight. So without further ado, let's get started with the video right now. All right, so there's definitely a lot to get this damn bumper off. It's a lot different than the GTI for sure. I know I keep comparing it to it, but Audi's got a lot more bolts and screws from the inside holding it in.
What's up, man?
What's up?
I just want the light.
There's some T20s, some T15s, a couple of 10mm screws and bolts on each side to like hold it all together. But we got the bumper off. And now what we're doing is there's a little bracket on the top here that we have to remove. Eric's removing that now. And once we remove that, we'll be able to it's a lot of different clips on the side to remove the grill.
You good?
Yeah, I believe there's one more. Yeah. I believe there's one more left. Hold on. I know they were saying something that there was one inside the Audi.
Yo, it was crazy. It was crazy when I saw this crash bar. For a second, I thought Eric's car got hit before, and they never replaced the crash bar, but it was bent. Audi bends this in a specific way.
They were saying that you're not able to put this back on with the RS grill, but I would assume so.
I would assume so. Well, that makes sense because...
You got the drill?
I'm going to try. Yeah, we'll be at.
Right here.
Oh, I see it on the side.
Put this over here.
Hold them back, bitches. Woo! Nah, you can be. That should be. Oh, wait, you removing the bottom grill too?
No, it's on one piece.
No, it's not.
Wait, no, it's not.
It's two separate pieces.
It's two separate pieces.
You good?
My bad. Got a little excited.
It's okay.
Apparently too excited.
Yeah, so what you have to do now, you need a flathead and pry these back and clip. Oh, yeah, you need these two screws, though, on each side.
But we'll get the flathead, Jim.
They're over accelerated.
My fault. I'm just going to get by you real quick. Where's the flathead? Let's see if Will got a flathead around here somewhere.
Yeah. Just push this right here while I'm pushing. Oh, nah, it's not.
Got power tools? I don't see Will having. Oh wait, I do.
Plastic pries too.
The plastic, nah. You probably gonna need something more gangster than that. Watch this.
Yeah.
Oops. I push. You got it? Push
Your water.
No, I see.
Appreciate you, man.
Bring waters. Like $5 each. I gotta pay for that.
Let me see that on the side, right? You gotta push it while I,
Oh yeah, nice man. He's on my bumper pop.
Hey, listen, man. You know you do the utmost care, love, and
So we know what they're doing here. So we're gonna move to what Will's doing. Well, so basically, the problem with the RS grill is that once you put it on, you're gonna have this metal beam in the way, and it's gonna look really bad. I mean, I told Eric to paint it, but he doesn't want to just spray paint it real quick.
Trust me, that wasn't me. That wasn't me.
What would you do? Would you vinyl wrap it or would you spray paint it? I would spray paint it. The vinyl's not.
That damn sure wasn't me.
Especially in there with all the dirt.
Yeah.
What time is it? We can go to Home Depot. I can go to Home Depot real quick.
Oh, I have plastic dip spray. You can just plastic dip it.
Hey, Eric.
No.
You know what?
The man has spoken.
Damn. Because I've seen somebody plastic dip it.
Let's
and then
flakes or
chipped it up.
You have to do so many coats. It would take so long.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Chipped it up.
Yeah, I mean vinyl would definitely hold up better.
It's not gonna take. It's gonna take me what?
Yeah, no, it's gonna be better. It's gonna be better time wise.
Yeah,
10 minutes to
that's gonna be
vinyl.
time wise because Hooters after this.
What do you think about that, Eric? I mean, Will.
What?
The crash bar.
What, that's bent?
Yeah.
I mean,
Oh,
it's.
they fit the bumper or something.
I mean, it looks identical on both sides. It's just like it's.
Yeah, that's.
It's very hard to get an
like,
accident.
That wasn't hit. There's no way.
Because when I looked at it from the top, I'm like, oh.
And if you probably look at the bumper, it's shaped around it for some reason.
I mean, yeah, it makes sense.
So we could get a better, you know?
Yeah, it's just too symmetrical.
Right. It's facts. So while they're doing that, I'm actually going to take out the new RS grill out of here so I can show you guys real quick. Now, this was purchased on Amazon. If you guys want this, it was. If you wanted, if you want this for your car, there will be an Amazon link for this down below. The company's X Power. We don't know how it is. We don't know how it's gonna. We don't know how it's gonna match up. But I'm gonna pull this out real quick.
Hold up.
Okay.
Wait, this shit, we might have to take this.
Oh, the good thing is it comes with the emblem on it. Remember we had to change the emblems before? But
I changed the emblems.
oh, you did
It
it.
did not come with the emblems.
It did not come with the emblem.
Okay.
I'm trying to take this out. Okay. All right. So this is the grill right here. Oh, that's gonna look so much cleaner.
Miscellaneous screws.
All right. So we got the grill there.
You good?
Will's cleaning that up. See, it's a 3-man show. I'm filming.
Go ahead. Wait, this ain't right.
Got another battery charger so I can keep going with these videos. This is a lot.
You going?
This is gonna look good, man. It's gonna look good when it's all said and done.
Fast for you,
So listen, I'm gonna jump in here. I'm gonna jump in them and help them real quick. So Mike, just really quickly, what did you do? Oh, okay. That's how it comes out. Okay. So now, looks like he's sliding.
Oh, right here.
Nice. Wow, that actually came off easier than I thought.
Yeah, with two people.
We got anything? Oh, this side, right?
Same thing. One on the bottom. Oh.
Right there. Yep. Right there. Yep. And then on the top, the little clips on the top.
Oh, no, it's not even clips. Pass me to something smaller. You just got it in these right here.
He got it.
No, it's right
He
here.
got it
This
with
piece.
some-
Right here.
Yep. It's right on top.
Now it's the whole unit.
No, it's this piece. Right
Yeah.
look. You're pulling this.
No, Eric.
This right here.
It's this.
In these holes.
Look at the. It's a skeleton.
Not this?
I mean, it's exciting.
Oh, man.
I'd be excited too.
No,
man.
100%. This is gonna look different.
Hold on.
I should have worn my fucking shot. Whoa.
With a
That's
regular
it.
screwdriver?
Nah, you see, it's gonna come out here and scratch. You see how like?
It's gonna scratch your
Yeah.
bumper.
So let's just do it flat out. Let's move it straight out like this.
It'll probably come out easier straight too.
Yeah, just push it. Now you could on all of these. Just hit these sides, bro. These sides right here.
That's it. Yep. Mm-hmm.
I
Got you.
I'm gonna just pull it straight out. I got it. Trust me, it's gonna come out.
I just want to
There you go. It's going.
It's going.
Maybe not.
All right.
Interesting.
Ow, my finger.
No, go this way. Where's the button?
It's not there.
Can you do this?
Yeah, just pry it forward.
Or is there something really in the way?
I mean, it looked like something may be in the way. I mean, the grill is actually completely slided out.
Can you take a look in the back?
Is there a screw in the middle somewhere, maybe?
No.
Did we check?
I took all the screws out. Clip on the sides out. What is this?
Is there something?
In the emblem itself?
I took those off already.
Interesting.
Crash bar. What about? What about in the area in the middle?
That's what I'm saying.
Let me jump in and help these guys real quick. I'm gonna come
Oh,
back
that's
when we have this
disconnected.
grill
Hold
out.
on, so hold on, man.
Alright guys, so unfortunately my mic kind of cut out at this point. I'm having issues with it. I'm getting a new one soon, don't worry. But now as you guys can see, that's the RS grill on the front bumper. But as you see Eric on the left hand side, he's opening up the ECS tuning front splitter for the S5 that we're also now going to be installing on the bumper. So he's going to cut that open and it's pretty cool. Like that thing's pretty sick. But before he has to do that, he actually wanted to go ahead and wrap the crash bar. Now, if you see the RS grill, it's fully exposed and you're going to see this bright metal silver bar in the middle of it. Instead of him painting it, he wanted to wrap it because of the fact that it will withstand rock chips better than, you know, paint just being rocks chipping at the paint. So this was actually a pretty cool solution once it was all said and done.
So you got both for us? Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on, give me a second. Jay, I got you, Jay.
And I got it on this side.
I know, but I'm trying to help with two hands so you can have it easy. Look.
Yep.
What side you doing? The back or the front?
The back.
Front? Let's do the front first, because once you get the back, you can't move it.
Okay. All right. You good there?
Yeah. All right. Where's the drill?
Where's that screw? I need to take that out. Got stuck in between. Okay.
You know what I'm saying? This shit ain't gonna fly up to like 30,000 feet in the air.
All right, so
I'm
guys,
close to heaven.
so ECS actually they actually have the double adhesive 3M on each side, like I showed you when we unboxed everything. But it also, they have these factory fasteners, T25s from Volkswagen, all that you also use in your kit. Mike Slow Speed made a good point to actually just put 2 of the 15s back in it to line it up. Then this way it's kind of easy to mock up, see if it's angled right. Then we flip it back over.
Where's the 15?
Right here. No, that's the 25. The 15 was on the impact.
Oh yeah.
And then see, he wrapped the crash bar, so when you put that grill on, you don't see a big brace face on the thing of it. This ain't going anywhere. This is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, Mike. I want that camera.
Jay, you
Mike,
want everything, bro.
show my camera, Mike. This is what I'm.
I have the same camera, yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot better.
Okay. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Showtime.
So this is all good? This is what you got?
Yeah. That's all I
I could have
need.
wrapped that better.
You know damn well you was not gonna wrap that better.
Ooh.
I just wanted to cover it. I didn't say it was gonna be perfect.
Photo flick.
Nah,
It's fine. You're never gonna see it.
Damn, this shit got much heavier. Holy shit.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, you gonna be seeing is the tail lights anyway after that too. What the tail lights look like anyway?
All black.
I don't
All right, hang on.
break, so you won't tell.
All right, let me help him out with this real quick. Ooh, no, that looks really good. That looked really good.
Boy, that was me right there. And the grill. Everything was me.
This guy. This guy. Man.
Everything was me, baby. What's up?
Yo, that looks good, Eric. Yo, ECS, man. Shout out to ECS.
My man
too,
got to
bro.
put the finishing touches on there. Show him how
Yep.
we do it. It's an S4. He got an S4 badge. No funny business going on.
That's four.
It's S4.
S5, same thing.
Can't count.
S5.
Definitely not.
You can tell you're Audi bias. Trying to throw shade already. I see. Damn, my hands are ready.
My man, yo, you got to put the finish. Yo, it's like blowing out the candles.
Use the alcohol and paper towel right above your head so you can wash them. There's alcohol in front of you in the blue spray bottle.
Thank you for being so resourceful. Oh my god. Ew, your tongue is weird.
My tongue's weird? What's
Tongue is weird from
about it?
camera.
This shit ain't do nothing.
Oh, this is a moment. This is a
Put that
moment.
shit backwards. Look, that's what I'm talking about.
He doesn't act like he's proposing. Jesus.
Word, right?
Will you be a good cop to me? Yes, I will.
My guy.
Hopefully it stays on.
Don't do that.
That's
right.
I heard the same crack.
I heard it too, but I just be shutting up about some shit.
See, I'm glad I actually
Wow.
Wrap the inside. You can-
I've seen
yeah.
people spray it, and over time, when rocks hit it, it starts chipping. So
Wow.
you see the
You know,
little
it's,
dots,
it's
yeah.
good that you did it that way.
kind like that.
Yeah.
I've been okay with the vinyl wrap, and it lasts longer.
It's thicker. Now you good.
Should hold on for dear
Oh,
life.
yo, bro. Close the hood for me.
Close the hood.
Who wait a minute? Let me stop.
Wow.
Looks good.
That looks really good.
Thank you guys for your help.
So good. Yeah, she's looking.
Wait till you get the bill.
Yo, watch out, Jay.
This is
Now all
good.
she needs to do is get a little lower.
Wow, that grill. That for
Oh, nah.
Yo, for Amazon. Yo, that for that grill, that's on Amazon. I'll put the link down below if you guys are interested for your S4, S5. I'll put both of the links for both cars down. That shout out to ECS for the lip. The lip looks really good and it's pretty strong on there. It's not. Oh yeah, that's solid. That's not going anywhere. And with the H&R springs, nice little load factor. Okay, that's fine.
Like I said, if it doesn't go as low as I would like, then I'm gonna get a set of OEM spring. I mean,
Lowering springs.
maybe adjustable. We'll see.
Okay. That's what's up. Looks really, really good though. But guys, that's gonna wrap it up for the ECS tuning lip install as well as the RS style front grille for my brother Eric's S5. If you did like this video, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to JR14. You guys always remember, where we modify the cars like this. You guys always remember that cars are a lifestyle.